Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's project I will use all of these tools and I will show how I will use these on my project. And also I will leave a link on the description so you can find easily if you want to use your project. So let me tell you what will I do today. So today's project I will add some feature on my tool bag. So recently I started at travel company, so we use a lot of tools, so I want them to organize on my tool pouch. So I will make a drywall saw holder. So basically I wanna put my drywall saw here to easy to access from here, but I don't wanna it loose like that. So I want to it so tight here. So I will add some leather piece here, and I will show how I will make it. And also you can do anything, any project on your tool pouch. You can add any feature. So today I will just add some piece here, so it will help me to hold this drywall saw here. For start, I wanna show these things. I will use all of these tools on my project, so you will see how I will use on my project and which kind of tools will help me to make my project. And you can do also same thing in your any project. And I want to measure here so I can see what size leather I will use on my project. So it will be 2 inches wide and almost 3/4 its height, like height will be 3/4. So it doesn't need to be perfect because on that project I will use these like in the tough place, so it doesn't need to be nice. So if you want to be nice leather, any leather things, you should measure it so properly. So for now I don't need that much be fancy on that project, so it can be 2 inches and 3/4 its height. So let's see what kind of leather I will use. I will use cowhide leather on that project. So this thickness is 3/4 oz, and I will leave some link on the description. You can find any similar leather so you can use on your project. So let's continue. So we finished our saw holder, but I wanna add something. I wanna show something. So normally I make holes with that tool on here, but it's so difficult to access here. So I made hole. Like first I just see where it goes, then I made a mark with the pen, then I made holes with that any kind of sharp tools. And also when I let me show this. Yeah, I use this tool for putting these buttons, so it's easy to access here with that tool, because you can just put like that and you can press, but it's so difficult to access here. So for that you can use that tool. You can get from Amazon this one, and so easy to use.